Good morning. I hope this is working because I'm trying to whisper because the girls are still sleeping. But happy new year! Welcome back to the channel, guys. Long story, we have so much to catch up on. Wow. I've been summoned. I've been getting a lot of messages. You abandoned us on YouTube. No, I did not. It's just no big issues, but just some issues with my device that I was not, able to create content. And every time I try to create a video for you guys, my storage is full. And if you're a content creator, you know how annoying that can be, especially when you're actually in the midst of creating the video. So I was so out of it. But anyways, today is the 2nd of January. I'm up early because I think I'm gonna go on the road today and I need to get a little bit of a head start before the girls are up. I hope you guys are doing okay, and I wish you guys all the best for 2025. 2024 is done, gone, we survived, we made it. Whatever trials and tribulations that was thrown at us, we made it to 2025, honey. And this year is about to be the best year of our lives. Like anything that we did not achieve in 2024, I want y'all to work towards achieving it in 2025. Y'all saw my wig. This is past due to take out now, but I've had it in since like maybe, I think it was Boxing Day. Yeah, I installed it on Boxing Day. It's like ready to come out, but my hair underneath, you know the situation with my hair underneath it. It's not in good condition, girl. I lost on my mind in terms of I did not create a to-do list last night. So when I wake up in the morning, my brain is always like fumbling. What is it that I need to tackle first? What's the first thing? Or what are the things that I need to do for today? And I'm actually working on my list. I have not done that, and I didn't want to do YouTube until I actually started my planning for 2025 because I want to be a little bit more organized, because whenever I'm not, I get so flustered, and as you can see what's going on. But we'll catch up in a little bit, okay? What's up, guys? What happened? Oh, you looking for mommy? Good morning. The new year caught her with a cold. Sister is still sleeping. Both of them have a cold. I think I went out on market night with them, and we were out kind of late. But I don't know if that's as a result of it. But Robin is sick. She has a cough. Same with Raven. But you know the cough, you don't hear the cold now on the chest, but you know it's coming. So yesterday I made some remedy. I made garlic, honey, and onion. But let's see, working on it. Hello. Oh, you want to say hello? Okay, let mommy have you say hello. She wants to play with the phone. Look at her face. You gonna take it down? Take it.
Hello?
Yes, hello. So I said I'm going to buy one of these little play phones for her. Maybe, because maybe she's not going to be fascinated with that one because it's obvious that it's a toy. But this one, she just feels like it's real. So I have to bring her here. So I'm gonna find one and give it to her. Did we say hello? Are we finished talking? Hello, good morning. Yes, Raven wants to say hi to you and to tell you she misses you. Okay, you miss her too? Oh, she's so cute. Yes, I should give her a kiss. Okay. Mwah. And tell her I love you. Say, tell him bye bye. Say bye bye.
Bye bye.
Yes, bye bye. It's the heart of a woman. I'm such a lover girl, trust me. It's the heart of a woman. Robin is sleeping, you know. She gonna get up and curse me.
Daddy.
What is that? Come. Up now. She says she don't feel like her regular self, and I wanted to go on the road today. I don't know if when I have to take them out and they're not doing well. Huh?
B.
What's that? A, B,
1.
2. The cup doesn't go in. The cup doesn't go in there. Wow. Wow.
Oh.
What are you doing with the cup? Are you okay?
What?
Water.
Let's
Good. Just lay down and rest. It's still early. It's like 8:30 something, so it's not like we're. Mommy's just going to clean up and then we go on the road because I have to get more medicine for you and Raven. Okay. Snacks. You already have snacks. Oh, it's only snacks if Oreo is there.
Huh?
It's only snacks if Oreo is there. Yes! Because she got snacks. I made sure to purchase. Oh, well, not a lot. We only have like two of these. So I'll get some snacks then since I'm going out. Remember that we have to do the calendar because it's the 6 is school. So we have to do the calendar that teacher says is for all. Today is the 2nd.
B.
Yes, 3.
Sure.
Count to 10. You gotta count to 10 for your friends.
Oh.
Oh, count 1, 2, 3. She have a mind of her own and sometimes she see what. You say bye. So we just got the packages, guys. What?
I want to go to the arcade.
Not today. We're not
wish
gonna.
I could.
Okay, but not today. Any more going out is gonna be for your birthday, okay? No more going out. So I actually came to pick up 2 packages from 2 collaborations. I didn't know that this one was going to be so big. And I didn't bring the carrier for Raven. So I'm gonna try to see if I can get a taxi quickly downstairs. The other one fits in my bag. I was thinking to get a bag, you know, from Bashko, so I could just put it in it, but I jumped in the taxi so fast. But anyways, let's go, because I had another item that should be here, but it's not here today. So I'm gonna have to come back. But that package, I have 2 weeks to provide them with the draft, so that's not bad. The cat? Yeah. Here's your wedge, Bobby. Raven, find friend. Give me fish.
One.
You found a friend, Cookie?
Yes.
Yes. Fish. Fish, Boo. I'm sitting here. I feel like I don't want to get up. Said I don't want to go, but I got to go. I'm gonna go to the supermarket
No.
and then we head home. I also need to stop and get medicine. I need to re-up on the medicine that I have for the girls. The DPH cough and cold and the histostatin. I don't even know. It's always hard to pronounce that name. Histostatin. Yeah. And I need to go before Raven started crying for her tea, even though she had some of the wedges and the juice. She drank off this juice entirely, even though it's cold and I never wanted to give it to her because it's cold and she wants it cold. She drank it non-stop and said, yummy. I'm actually trying to get formula for Raven, but I'm thinking to change to the Alacta 1 Plus. Or I could switch to the 1 and up milk. You cannot hold in the car, Robin. You're so big. You're so big. You cannot hold in here. Which one of them do you want, Ray? Dirty. Get out. I think I'm gonna try the milk. She's always been on the soy.
We need the big ones. The big ones.
3,000 something for the Alactina. 3,200 for the 800 gram. Wow.
Wow.
So it's the same like this one. So this is the size that we usually buy for 2,000 something in the Lasco, comparing to this size Alacta 1 Plus for 3,000, and it's less. This is 800 gram. The one that I normally buy is 900. Come, Raven. I am going to try this. But this is better because it has the prebiotics and 35 nutrients. All right, you know what? Let's work with a small one and see how it goes. But the thing now is that I didn't want to buy the small one and then she don't like it, and then or I have to come back out in the week. Oh Lord. The thing is, you know, when you're changing their formula, it's always a little situation. Sometimes things don't go real good. But anyways, let's get that and head on out of here. Come. Let's go. Put those back, Robin. And let's go. Because if she drop them and break it, we gotta pay. Come. Why she take the dominoes from you? Huh?
I'm cleaning because you don't want me to open it.
The box is actually something that I have to film, so I can't just open it like that. I have to record it.
You said we're gonna open it today.
Yes, we are. But we are going to open it my way, not in a rush. I have to film it. I have to record it because it's for a brand. So I can't just open it and you take out the stuff. That's not how it works, okay? No, this is not to brush teeth. This is to brush your hair. Brush hair. Brush Raven hair. Brush hair.
But when I was cleaning up, you didn't even thank me.
You were cleaning up? I didn't notice. I was just checking on the phone something. I was just resting my brain, baby. Thank you so much for cleaning up. Okay? You are such a sweetie. Come give mommy a hug. Let mommy give you a hug. Come. Come. Excuse Raven. It's not your time now. Bye-bye. Yeah, so take the brush out your mouth. That's not to brush teeth, baby. Thank you for cleaning up, okay? Your head hurts? Are you okay? You know what I want to? Go sit on the toilet. Everything is no. Oh, let me show you what I got in my my box. So this one, you want to open it?
It's open.
Open, okay. Catch her, you know, nasty like.
You can't catch me. You can't catch me.
Go, go. 1, 2, 3. What's it? Peter, ask her what she doing.
Push-ups.
We say, that man, he may tell us Robin sometime I work for me gear, nothing but 2 lick. You make this something drop off, you go drop in the water, in the dirt.
I'm not.
It's a reason, right? Come, let's go. I'ma be guys, I'm going to take off this week right now, but I wanted to get the stuff to do my hair before I take it off. And I don't have any alcohol to take it off. Woo. The edge, I don't know why they put the glue around there black anyways. My word. I saw it and I'm like, this is embarrassing. Because what's this? What is this? Like, to be honest with you, what is really this? What do you mean? What do you mean no? We're ready to go.
Let's go.
Yes, ready to go.
Go. Okay.
I'm tricking her that we're running away. 1, 2, 3, go! 1, 2, 3, go! We're gone. I'm going inside, leave her. See if she's not gonna come. She's doing business. Leaving her around there. She still sit down in the dirt.